Guys, some more meal prep ideas. Shopped at Costco, got a nice big bag of pears. Love the tzatziki. Bought this basil pesto. I know it's not low fat, but my daughter really wanted to try it. Love the Laughing Cow. Big bag of frozen sliced strawberries. Big bag of shrimp. Big bag of raspberries. 3 containers of the Kirkland Greek yogurt. Love the Lilydale meat. Great for lunches and dinners and snacks. Big bag of broccoli. Some veggie straws that you can count out. 3 large cucumbers, fantastic. Strawberries, a chicken, asparagus, bananas, and a big bag of peppers. Okay, so just some other ideas for meal prep, for breakfast, for lunches, for dinner, for some snacks. Okay, hope this helps you guys too.